The modern workplace is a bustling ecosystem, but beneath the surface, a hidden predator lurks. Relentless urgency. Deadlines, emails, and meetings pile on pressure, creating a constant hum of anxiety. We rush from task to task, our focus fractured, always feeling behind. This frantic pace is often mistaken for productivity, yet it leaves us depleted and disconnected. The stress isn't a sudden shock, but a slow, accumulating weight we call busy. Our ancient bodies respond as if we're in danger, even though the threat is just the structure of our workday. The pressure to perform triggers internal alarm, making it harder to focus and leaving us overwhelmed. We end our days exhausted, yet unsatisfied, wondering if we were ever truly present. This cycle of busyness and stress is the unseen reality for many. The question is, can we break free and find a better way to work? This is where our journey into mindfulness begins. To understand our stress, we must look within, at our body's ancient survival system, fight or flight. When our ancestors faced real danger, adrenaline and cortisol surged, priming the body for action. Heart rate soared, senses sharpened, and non-essential functions paused, all for survival. The brain shifted from rational thought to instinct, narrowing focus to threat or safety. This system was perfect for escaping predators, but it was meant for short bursts, not daily life. After danger passed, the body would recover, returning to balance. The problem? Our world has changed, but our biology hasn't. Now, emails and deadlines trigger the same response as a lion in the grass. Our bodies are stuck in high alert, with no real threat to fight or flee. The stress response, once a lifesaver, has become a daily drain. We need a new way to respond to modern pressures. That's where mindfulness comes in. Our bodies can't tell the difference between a real threat and a stressful email. The same stress hormones flood our system, even as we sit at our desks. Muscles tense, hearts race, and we're ready for action, though the enemy is just a spreadsheet. This state of high alert becomes our norm, leading to anxiety, poor sleep, and physical symptoms. We accept these as the cost of success, not realizing our biology is overwhelmed. With the amygdala in control, our thinking narrows, creativity drops, and mistakes rise. We're using our survival brain for office work, an exhausting mismatch. Recognizing this is the first step to change. How do we break the stress loop? Not by working harder, but by practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness isn't about emptying the mind or being passive. It's about noticing. It means paying attention to the present moment, on purpose, without judgment. This creates a gap between a trigger and our response, a space for freedom. Instead of reacting automatically, we observe our thoughts and sensations. By noticing, we weaken stress's grip and re-engage our rational brain. Mindfulness signals to our body that we're safe, helping us return to balance. It's a skill that grows with practice, even if the mind wanders. The goal isn't a still mind, but to gently return to the present each time we drift. Each return strengthens our ability to respond, not react. Over time, we build a new habit, one that serves us in the modern workplace. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for navigating stress. It starts with the simple act of noticing. Mindfulness is accessible anywhere, anytime, even in a busy office. Try this quick 5 senses grounding exercise when stress hits. First, pause and take a breath. Look around. Notice 5 things you hadn't seen before: the light on your screen, a plant, a detail on your desk. Next, feel 4 sensations: your feet on the floor, the chair beneath you, the texture of your clothes, your hands on the desk. Listen for 3 sounds: the hum of electronics, distant voices, or traffic outside. Notice 2 scents: coffee, paper, or the air itself. Finally, focus on 1 taste: maybe your tea or just the air in your mouth. This simple practice pulls you out of your head and into the present. It's a circuit breaker for stress, anchoring you in the here and now. You can do it discreetly anytime you need a reset. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to find calm in chaos. Mindfulness isn't about escaping work. It's about being present for it. Even a minute can make a difference. Try it now and notice how you feel. This is mindfulness in action. Multitasking is a myth. Our brains can't truly focus on many things at once. Rapid task switching drains energy and increases mistakes. The antidote? Radical simplicity. One breath, one task. When overwhelmed, pause and take a conscious breath. Ask, what's the one thing I need to do right now? Give that task your full attention. Write the email, listen in the meeting, finish the report. Resist distractions. Immerse yourself in the moment. Single tasking is mindfulness in motion, making you calmer and more effective. Break big projects into single steps, and the chaos becomes manageable. The day feels less overwhelming, and your work becomes more meaningful. Simplicity is the path to sustainable productivity. Mindfulness yields quiet, powerful benefits. Mistakes drop as focus improves. Communication deepens as we truly listen. Mindful presence turns routine interactions into genuine connections. Most importantly, mindfulness reconnects us to ourselves. We notice our patterns, triggers, and needs, making better choices and setting healthy boundaries. This self-awareness is the foundation of meaningful, sustainable work. We prevent burnout and align our actions with our values. The result? Greater satisfaction and purpose, both at work and in life. Mindfulness enriches every aspect of our experience. The harvest is quiet, but profound. Mindfulness isn't about constant calm or escaping stress. The workplace will always have pressure and chaos. The goal is to notice when we're not calm, to wake up from the trance of stress. That moment of awareness is a victory. Once we notice, we respond with kindness, not criticism. Use your tools: a breath, the 5 senses, feeling your feet on the ground. The practice is losing ourselves in stress, then gently returning to presence. Each return makes it easier next time. The aim isn't perfection, but presence. We learn to surf the waves, not eliminate them. Mindfulness is a compassionate process, guiding us back to ourselves. One breath, one moment at a time. The modern workplace is a new wilderness, full of distractions and demands. Mindfulness is our compass, helping us find clarity and connection amid the noise. It's an act of self-care and empowerment, making our productivity more sustainable and humane. The journey isn't about reaching perfection, but about beginning, one conscious breath at a time. Each moment of presence plants a seed of resilience and peace. As we explore our inner world, we must also consider our digital tools. In our next video, we'll venture into the digital wilderness, exploring mindfulness and technology. For now, start where you are and let presence guide your way.